Okay, so I'm running here a MacBook Pro with OS X 10.1, I believe, and I'm using VMware Fusion to run Windows 7 on the on this equipment. You can see today it's a CNN website with today's date, so it's a pretty fresh video here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch Solidworks here. I'm going to just focus on a couple operations. One, let's take a look at this assembly, just kind of rotate it a little bit, give you an idea of that. It's just a little gearbox. Let's go ahead and explode that out. Just take a look at the exploded view of that assembly. Relatively simple assembly. So let's take this assembly and let's create a drawing from this assembly. One disclaimer here is I am not a SolidWorks expert, and this is something I don't do every day. And this box isn't really set up for SolidWorks. Only has about 2 gig of RAM on it, so pretty lightweight box. Certainly would recommend a bit more hardware and a bit more RAM if you're going to be running SolidWorks as a primary application on it. And let's go ahead and create just 3 views here. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see, with this view, let's go ahead and take that and let's just create a bill of material from that. And just pretty simple here, just pop it up here. Okay, great. And this is not the best view to do this on, but let's take this view and let's just auto balloon that, throw some balloons on there, pretty simple. So you can see that. Okay, so let's go back, let's do a couple other things. Let's take this assembly, and let's say we want to take this assembly and, communicate this with the outside world in a secure format. So let's publish this as what we call an e-drawing file. And this allows us to publish this in a secure format that you can share with the outside world, and automatically saves it, the 2D and 3D data of that file, but without sending out any geometric information. You can do a bunch of things in here. Obviously animate it, rotate it, move it around, interrogate different drawing views, okay? Interrogate different parts of the model itself, and really just do markups, approved, draft, and so on, and then do this in a secure format. So this is our eDrawings application. Once again, the viewer is free, so that works out pretty well. All right, let's go back. Let's do one more thing here. I don't want to keep this video. Pretty short, and let's just create a quick drawing, just from scratch here. So front plane. Let's go ahead and create a sketch. It's pretty simple. Just pull this out, sketch that out, and that's fine. Let's see, we don't need both of these. Okay, and let's go ahead and just make that just a solid body. I'm going to just drag that out. Okay, great. And then let's go ahead and just take that and let's shell it out, give it some wall thickness. We'll just take the default and just flip this around a bit. Okay, and then take this face, put a fillet on it. Just kind of round it out nicely. And then we're done. So that's a quick tour of SolidWorks on a MacBook Pro.